Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing fried fish with seasoned onions. Just follow the step and let's get started. The fish I've used is a Bengali fish called butter fish, and I've already prepped and cleaned my fish. You can use any fish you want. The spices I've used are turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, all 1/4 teaspoon, and salt, oil, ginger, garlic paste, and you leave it to marinate for half an hour. As you can see, I have added all the ingredients that I have mentioned. Now it's time to fry the fish, and I will add onions and tomato to add flavor to it. Add oil to the pan. Now you fry the fish until it's golden brown. I fried it a bit longer because I like it more crispy. Now it's time to fry the onion. Once the onion is lightly golden brown, add your tomato and green chilies. Add salt and black pepper and garlic seasoning. Garlic seasoning and black pepper is optional, you don't have to, and a little bit of turmeric powder. Cook the spice for a minute. This is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.